Revising through different eyes, the power of point of view. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the art of revising, specifically focusing on the element of point of view. It's amazing how a simple change in perspective can shift the entire tone and meaning of a story. Let's explore this fascinating topic together. Point of view, POV, is the lens through which a story is told. It determines whose eyes we see the world through. There are several types, including first person, I went to the market. Second person, you went to the market. Third person limited, he went to the market and only saw his thoughts. Third person omniscient, he went to the market, and the vendor thought he looked sad. There are multiple reasons to revise the point of view. 1. Fresh perspective. Maybe the story feels more authentic if seen through another character's eyes. 2. Enhance suspense or mystery. Certain details can be concealed or revealed based on who's telling the story. 3. Change the emotional impact. Different POVs can elicit different emotions from readers. 4. Feedback. Sometimes, beta readers or editors suggest a change might make the narrative more compelling. Revising the POV can be tricky, but here are some tips to guide you. Stay consistent. Once you choose a new POV, ensure it remains consistent throughout the story. Re-examine dialogues and thoughts. These will likely change based on who's telling the story. Check for details. Some details known to one character might be unknown to another. Read aloud. This can help you catch inconsistencies or places where the new POV feels awkward. Seek feedback. Sometimes, another set of eyes can catch what you missed. Imagine a scene where a child steals a cookie. Original, third person limited. Billy looked around and, seeing no one, grabbed a cookie. His heart raced. Revised, first person. I looked around, making sure no one was watching, and snatched a cookie. My heart was pounding so loud, I was sure someone could hear it. The emotion and connection with the character are heightened in the first person. Revising the point of view can transform your story in unexpected and delightful ways. Remember, the goal is to make your story as engaging and authentic as possible. We hope this video has illuminated the power of perspective in storytelling. Keep writing, and happy revising!